Today, we're making a powerful natural powder that boosts plant growth and protects from pests. No chemicals needed. Before we start, hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips. Take dry wood husk. Make sure it's completely moisture-free. Sun dry it until crisp. Then mix it with garlic powder, 2 tablespoons for every cup of wood husk. That's it. Your all-natural plant booster is ready. Wood husk improves soil and root health, while garlic repels pests like aphids and ants. Use it 2 ways. First, sprinkle around plant bases to enrich soil and protect roots. Second, make a spray. Mix 5 tablespoons in 2 liters of warm water. Let sit 30 to 60 minutes. Strain and spray on your plants, especially tomato plants. It's safe for all plants and super effective. Try it and watch your plants thrive. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.